huge inside.
He's trying to cover his bases. No. You want to touch the school bus?
You want to go for the school bus? Look at that. Grandson. Oh, another lesson. You can't look at the check before you look at the card. Gotta look at the card first.
Oh, we used to open the cards and shake them.
Thank you,
Oh.
Panda.
Dear Heck.
Dancing? Go
Much
for
love and lots of hugs on your first birthday, Nana and Pops. Whoa!
Thank you for the cards.
Whoa! Thank you for the cards.
Gonna change
Thank you
angles
for
so I get some
the
different
cards.
pictures.
And now,
Audrey.
She's like, what'd I get?
oh,
fun!
more vacation toys.
Put this over
So
here.
cute.
That's
I've never
gonna
seen
be
one.
fun.
There you go. It looks like a
Making
car.
I want one of these.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we can get father and son. We can do good blow-ups.
That would be very cute.
Would Audrey like to see the truck? Like to see the truck?
Henry's like, this is a bum deal. She ate my cake and I'm going to eat this first.
It's fun.
Learning lessons today.
He's a minimalist. Ooh, look at this car. It's in the shape of a one. And the Tasmanian Devil? That's a great one, but you can't get that tattoo on your leg later. It's lame.
You can read it? Read it with your finger, with your pointer.
Love, hugs, and kisses. Aunt Pat. Oh, that's nice.
What you got, Bugs? Okay, open it up, buddy.
All right. Almost.
Bring that one, buddy.
What's your favorite?
Oh, camouflage shorts.
Oh, look over there. What else you got, buddy?
Oh, and a bunch of. Oh.
Bathing.
These are
Oh,
gonna be
Ah,
good.
that's cute.
Now you got something to wear at the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Oh,
How cute.
here we go.
Oh.
A little surfing.
Yeah.
We can go do some body surfing, buddy.
Let me see his face. Put it back toward the side.
Look
All
over
his
at
other
Crazy.
pictures are
Look
naked.
at Crazy.
Look at who?
What?
That's a travesty.
Oh! Now these are stylish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Surfer
look
boy.
at it.
That's right.
Gonna be the handsomest bear on the beach.
Oh, we got it. Oh, and we got camouflage bathing suits. Oh my goodness! Woohoo! Woo! All right, that was only a selection of the gift too.
There are shirts in there too. He's got a shirt to go with his camel one.
Oh, that's camouflage, real camouflage.
Does that say Go Jets?
Yes, it does.
Oh, nice. There's the New York influence. We'll talk about that later. You have some time.
Thank you.
Oh boy!
Henry, more to come.
Where's that from?
Is that the school bus?
Who's this from?
That was from me.
That's from your pet too.
This is on.